Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. Today I'm gonna visit the Marina beach, one of the famous beach in Dubai, that is Marina. So from my hotel it's a little bit far. I went by train because I heard that in the train that you can get a golden card and you can visit in the business class. So I get the golden card and traveling to the business class. So let's see, and I hope that we will enjoy this trip. Here it's like a very large big area. Here like everybody, if someone want, he can swim, he can take a sun bath, like all facilities are available. See, after like train I have reached to the beach. So anyhow it was late, but finally once I reached here I went to rent for the scooty. It was so late, so they said that the time is over. So I asked them for the yacht trip, but they said that it's not this get, but it's in the different places. Then I just decided to walk around, and I hope, let's see how will be our trip today. So we will visit next day again for the yacht trip. Thanks for the watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.